The Arizona rancher accused of shooting and killing a migrant on his property is now out on bail. George Allen Kelly put his ranch up for collateral in order to post a $1 million surety bond after Santa Cruz County officials added additional counts of aggravated assault. Witnesses told prosecutors Kelly shot an unarmed man in the back as that man was fleeing from Kelly's property, in addition to shooting at others, quote, without warning or provocation. NewsNation border correspondent Allie Bradley joins us from outside the courthouse in Nogales, Arizona, with the latest details. Good morning, Allie.
Yeah, hi, good morning, Mitch. So Nogales sits right in the Tucson sector, which DHS sources confirmed to me is leading the nation in gotaways. Those are people who have successfully evaded law enforcement. And George Allen Kelly's ranch in neighboring Keno Springs sits right on what Border Patrol agents are telling me is a major narcotics route.
It's an area notorious for extremely aggressive and violent smugglers, going back decades.
That has been a tough area to work for many, many years. The cartel operating in that area has had a propensity for violence.
Former Border Patrol Chief Rodney Scott says he was a supervisor in Nogales and experienced the dangers firsthand.
A good friend of mine was actually pinned down by automatic weapons fire for over 20 minutes while the cartel came, recovered the narcotics they were trying to smuggle in.
During George Allen Kelly's preliminary hearing earlier this week, Kelly's attorney, Brenna Larkin, said her client was being targeted by smugglers who were intimidating witnesses and skewing the investigation, saying, quote, testimony is something that is bought and sold by drug traffickers, the same way that drugs and people are bought and sold. In this case, the benefit they're getting is security for their smuggling route through Mr. Kelly's property. And they're sending a message to anybody else defending his or her own property that if you defend your property against us, you will be arrested and there will be witnesses who come to stand against you. Multiple Border Patrol sources I spoke with tell me that Kelly did have a reputation among the smugglers as someone who fires his rifle off when undocumented individuals are on his property. And while the victim in this case, 48-year-old Gabriel Quen Butamea, was found unarmed, he did have a radio and was wearing tactical boots. Former Chief Scott says Quen Butamea also had multiple prior deportations.
Everything that I am seeing, my professional experience would tell me that that guy was either a scout or an actual guide for a group. With the radio, much more likely he was probably scouting out in advance, or the front man, if you will. But that type of activity and behavior doesn't take place out there unless it's part of the cartel.
Larkin has maintained that the people on the Kelly's ranch January 30th were involved in human smuggling.
Okay, so what's next when it comes to this case? Well, George Allen Kelly will be back here in front of a judge in Nogales for an evidentiary hearing. This is a continuation of that preliminary hearing we were at on Wednesday, Mitch. What we can expect today is we're hearing from those witnesses, those two witnesses that have come forward that have added those aggravated assault charges. And then also we should be hearing from detectives as well today.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.